Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and we're currently approaching the iconic Mapen Bridge. It no longer facilitates real traffic, or trains we would call it. There was a stoplight for it as well, that's no more. This bridge has gone under multiple maintenance as well. The surface right now is not so bad, but there are past years when it's really horrible to drive on, but I have to say it's in a good condition, including the surface as well, so not very bad. So we just passed through the Mapen Bridge and we're heading to Palmer's Cross. So we're driving Mapen to Palmer's Cross, and as you know, we're in Mapen, Clarendon. So we already know the drill. If you haven't yet subscribed, if that subscribe button is still showing red, you know, click on the subscribe button so you can be a part of the channel, you know, a part of the movement, which is to highlight all the beauty and development in Jamaica. Remember to like the video and share as well, because that will help new people to see the channel and to see the video. And as usual, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Leave a comment. So again, we're in Mapen, Clarendon, and right now we are driving from Mapen to Palmer's Cross. So 4 Paisley Avenue, so we just passed. Some very nice houses are up that side. I guess probably another day I'll take a drive up that side. Alright guys, so enjoy the drive. Leave a comment. And right now we're on Paisley Avenue, entering into Palmer's Cross. Guys, and if any of you guys watching is from Clarendon first of all, or from Mapen, or even more specifically Paisley or Palmer's Cross, so let us know in the comments so we can give you a big up. You know, once I drive through a community or an area, I try to, you know, give everybody a chance to say, hey, this is where I come from, or hey, I might place that, you know, just to give them a shout out. So if you're from this side of town, as they would say, this side of the woods, just let us know in the comment section. And you know, most people already know that I am from Mapen, Clarendon. That's where I was born and grew up before I went to Kingston. So still on Paisley Avenue, I'm just doing a drive with you guys. So we just passed the Taijul Aki factory on the right. Not sure many persons have ever heard of that place. It's a processing plant and canning plant. Taijul. Alright, so we're technically in Palmer's Cross. Alright guys, so center of Palmer's Cross. So we came Paisley Avenue, then we came into the square of Palmer's Cross. Now we're on Hazard Drive, heading back out to Trenton Road. And then from Trenton Road it will be the Mineralites roundabout, and then that brings you back onto the highway. Alright, so enjoy the drive. What I'll just do is to continue the drive until we reach on the highway, so you guys can stay tuned for that. Alright, so just past Inglewood Drive, and then we're approaching Trenton Road, and we're coming off Hazard Drive. And as I stated, we'll end the video while approaching the highway. So that's where we'll end the video for today. So you guys watch to the end. Thanks for watching so far, and watch to the end. And we're almost on the highway. That's the Highway 2000, and then this will be the leg from Mapen that brings you into Old Harbor, Spanish Town, Kingston. Just past the Hazard Primary School on the left. This is the Mapen roundabout. They're trying to keep it, maintained and looking nice. See some efforts over there. And then this section has 2 new gas stations coming from, the Millennium Mall being open. We have a Popeyes and a Little Caesar over there now. Alright guys, so as usual, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Alright guys, so I changed my mind. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring you guys right to the toll booth. That's the mineralized toll booth, as you'd call it. So I'll end the video there. So we came from Paisley Avenue. No, we came from Mapen through the Mapen Bridge, Paisley Avenue, Palmer's Cross. Then we went to Hazard Drive, then Trenton Road, Mineralites Roundabout, and now we're entering the Toll Plaza. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the video.